We are in a world where consumer and commercial regulatory concerns require an effective track-trace system for all food products. Supply chain traceability links the physical flow of products with the flow of information about them. All items must be uniquely identified and the information made available to all supply chain partners. On April 28th, David Miller, the President of Operations Technologies, will present an overview of the requirements and the solutions for food packaging traceability. Dave is the founder and president of Operations Technologies and its Mobius subsidiary. He is also an internationally recognized expert on food traceability. In addition to multiple professional and trade organizations, he has been asked to speak before the U.S. Congress on traceability issues. On Thursday, April 28th, he will be speaking to everyone who signs up for this webinar. Let's hear what Dave has to say about his upcoming presentation.
Hello everybody, my name is Dave Miller with Mobius Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about the impact of new regulations and standards on packaging traceability. I'm going to have a small agenda here with an introduction, first of all, to our company, so you can figure out whether or not we're somebody you should be paying attention to or not. Then we're going to talk about the goals of packaging traceability. The concept's not all that new, but there have been a lot of changes, particularly since September 11th, and we'd like to go through and explore what's changed and what new things you should be concerned with, or at least be looking into. We're going to have an introduction to the Food Safety Modernization Act, which passed in December of last year, so several months ago, particularly as it relates to packaging. And in particular, we're going to talk about what really is kind of a fundamental shift in the FDA's pattern. Basically, since the FDA's inception, they have focused on doing plant inspections and going through and verifying that, temperatures were the right place, material handling was done right, sanitation was up to speed. That is now going to be changing to one that's based upon records inspections. And the reason that that's important to us in this conversation is because a lot of records inspection deals with the tracking and movement of packages, which deals with both packaging and labeling. And then we'll just have kind of a brief discussion by what we mean with packaging, and we'll get into more and more details as we move along. All right, and then we'll do a small demo, and then we'll ask for questions.
And now, to register for this free webinar, The Impact of New Regulations and Standards on Packaging Traceability, go to nwasoft.com, packwebinar2.hdm. We look forward to you joining us on the 28th. Have a good day.